Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
Remove this plastic screw in the corner of the footwell with your fingers. Pry off the side panel. Open the glove box. Push in on the stopper and pull outwards. When it unclips, rotate and pull the stopper through to remove it. Close the glove box. Remove the two screws securing the glove box door hinges using either a 8mm socket or a Phillips head screwdriver. Remove the glove box door. Remove one or both of the bolts securing the metal bar using a 5/16 or 8mm socket. Remove the two Phillips head screws in the corners of the glove box assembly. Remove the metal bar. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filters from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1054 filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing towards the driver's side of the vehicle. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the metal bar. Reinstall the bolts on the metal bar. Reinstall the bottom screws. Reinstall the glove box door. Reinstall the door hinge bolts. Open the glove box. Lift the glove box and reinstall the stoppers by threading the rubber part through first. Then, push until it clicks into place. Remember that lifting the housing makes it easier. Close the glove box. Reinstall the side panel. Reinstall the corner screw that secures the side panel. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.